So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to delete a post in LinkedIn. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the LinkedIn app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your LinkedIn account, and to delete a post you should have to tap on your profile picture, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. So tap on it. Now tap on your profile picture, which is also available on the top left corner of your screen. Now scroll down and see. You will find your post here. Then you should have to tap on three dot, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can simply see the option of delete post, so tap on it. Then confirm it, either you want to delete or not. So I am tapping on delete. Now see, post has been successfully deleted from the profile, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.